In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name of a funnel on Systeme.io. If you're managing your online presence through Systeme.io, knowing how to update your funnel's domain name can be super helpful, especially if you're rebranding or simply organizing your digital space. Let's dive in and walk you through the entire process step by step. First, we need to access your Systeme.io dashboard. So go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and head over to systeme.io. Here you'll find the login page, enter your registered email address and your password. Got it? Great. Now go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will take you straight into your Systeme.io dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're inside the dashboard, look towards the top menu and locate the Websites tab. This section is the central hub for managing all your websites and funnels. Click on Websites, and then right there you'll see an option labeled Sales Funnels. Click on that to proceed. Now you should see a list of all the funnels you've created. It's time to find the specific funnel you want to modify. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click on that funnel. This should take you directly into the funnel's main interface where you can start making changes. Within the funnel, locate the option that says Funnel Settings. Click this option and it will open up all the settings related to your funnel. It's this area that allows you to personalize different aspects of the funnel, including the domain name. Now direct your attention to the funnel domain section. Here there's a drop down list available. Clicking on this drop down will show you a list of domain names associated with your account. Choose the desired domain name you want for your funnel from this list. On the bottom of the settings page, don't forget to hit the Save button. Clicking Save is crucial as it applies and confirms the new domain name to your funnel. Without saving, your changes won't take effect, and we certainly don't want all that effort going to waste. Before we end, a quick note. It's important to ensure that you've already added your custom domain to your Systeme.io account before you attempt to change a funnel's domain name. You have the flexibility to use a Systeme.io subdomain if that suits you, or opt for a fully custom domain if you have one ready. Having this versatility means you can choose what makes most sense for your brand's needs, and there you have it, a complete guide to changing the domain name of a funnel on Systeme.io. If you followed along, you've successfully updated your funnel's domain to better align with your business intentions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to make the most of your Systeme.io experience.